good girl.
There's a lot of them here on Mother Earth.
Woman. I'm the lucky
Ain't
woman.
nothing like her though. You look like a motherfucker. I got some good weed too.
Ooh, good, good.
Yeah.
Gotta have it.
Huh?
Gotta have good weed. No, I brought some. Thank you, though.
I got gas. Great gas. Real talk. Straight up.
I'll take a little stroll.
Did
I'll
you
just
take?
walk up to see if you can find.
Yeah, sure. I think he's gonna play quick. We'll see. You play fast?
Yeah. See, I got that straight gas. Straight gas.
What's that going for?
I got straight gas. Point. Can't beat it.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Might have to get some. Might have to sample.
Yes, sir. I ain't gonna do you no wrong. You about to be my five. Come on, your move.
I told you I was gonna see you there.
Man, I want to see you. Everybody want to beat me.
Nah, we just want to play.
No, I'm talking about he beat me.
Oh, he's got a plan now.
So how long you been here, son?
We just got here yesterday. We
Oh yeah?
drove down from Massachusetts, so we're driving back to LA, going all through it, 20 states.
Oh, you driving?
Yeah, we're cruising.
That's all right, son. That's all right.
Get what you gave, bro, guarantee you.
Well, that's
I
a
hope
good
it's
move.
10 times fold. I hope Larry is not as bad as you.
I'm going, son. You got a million games.
I don't know. We're warming up. First one of the day, you know?
You got a million games, son. Wow. Well, I know you don't want to do that. I'm gonna get out of there.
There you go.
I'm
The castle. Classic move. Yes, yes.
Wow. Something ain't right.
Uh-oh.
Man. Go ahead.
Gotta do it. You play here every day?
No, sir, not every day.
Yeah.
No, sir.
But a lot? You play a lot?
It's
It's fun to play.
I played while I was in prison. I just got out of prison.
Oh, cool.
I'm
That's
doing
good.
bad. I'm homeless and everything. I'm struggling and everything. But I just don't act like it or try to look like it.
Well, you got out. That's good.
Yeah.
And you're playing chess, so
And,
you got the Jesus piece.
man,
How are the games in prison? Good?
well, yeah.
I bet.
You got me going now, though, son. You really... Yeah. I gotta go ahead and get you out of here. son.
Yep. Time for some action. You said it.
Yeah, I gotta go ahead and get you out of here. Okay. I go for that.
Yep.
I gotta get you out of there, son. Oh, you gonna give me that?
Yep. I guess so. I got her. Yep.
You gonna give me that?
What can I do?
I'm gonna take it.
Yep, take it. Take what they give you,
I'm gonna take it.
for sure.
I'm gonna take it. Uh-oh. Let's get out of here.
Uh-oh. Ooh, nice magnets. It's gonna rain, huh?
Here we go.
The rain coming.
Damn, son.
I know. I was just trying.
All right. Let's get out of here.
Yeah, good move. Check.
Yeah. I can't go for that.
Good move.
Or else you were gonna checkmate. Now. I gotta take that.
Yeah.
I got to take that.
Good D. You're playing good D.
I don't know.
I gotta go pawn up. I don't know what to do, so pawn up.
Oh no.
Yeah. Check. Yeah. Check.
Well, you don't cut no slack, do you?
Well, I don't know. You know.
Huh?
We just have fun, especially playing outside. I like it playing outside. Best place to play.
Best place.
Yeah.